Fish, dude! Holy shit!
Dude!
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Man Cave Vlog. For those of you that don't know me, my name is David Peltz, and on this channel I do all the stuff I like to do, which is traveling and fishing and hunting and just exploring new things. Today, as you can see, I am ice fishing. I'm at a lake called Blue Mesa right outside of Gunnison, Colorado, and spent a little bit of time at Taylor Lake yesterday and did it right there too. So been on the fish today. As you can see by the intro, we've definitely smashed some fish. Goal is to catch a big laker though. This is the world record lake. The world record lake trout was caught this year out of this lake, and I think it was 73 pounds. So monster trout, and that's hopefully what we're trying to get on. So stay tuned for the rest of this video and see what we get into. Alright guys, this is the shack setup at Taylor. Got the live scope, got a couple holes drilled, and of course, little midday check-in. Wind is starting to blow, but I just caught me my third lake trout. As you can see, really nice size on them. One's kind of skinny, but the other two are nice and fat. This is the view from outside the shack. Nice 14,000 feet peak mountains around here. It's beautiful, but it's cold. It was -8 this morning, so definitely freezing. But yeah, that's basically what's going down here today. Gonna make some lunch and call it good. Lunch on the stove. Today is garlic noodle pasta and 8 Vienna sausage sandwiches. But yeah, hopefully this shit's good. Nothing like a warm meal. Nice, baby. Well, good morning everybody. As you can see, we are driving to the lake in a freaking blizzard. Where the fuck did the road go? Jeez. Yeah, so this is how our morning and day is going to be, blowing snow all day long. So needless to say, we'll be in the shack probably all day. See you on the lake.
I got a big one, David.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to probably grab this fish.
Yep.
Oh, he's big, big. I see him down there.
Oh.
Oh. Grab that fucking fish, dude! Holy shit!
Dude! Oh, what the fuck is coming out of his mouth?
My hand!
Oh. Holy shit, dude.
Grab that scoop. I want to see how long he is.
Dude. That is a tank.
He's longer than my scoop by like 4 inches.
Well, here, right there. At least a good 2 inches. 3 inches at least, yeah. Holy shit, bro. That's what we came here for, man.
Okay, hold on. Here, I need you to get my phone.
All right, well, I'm gonna take some pictures of his, but. Welcome to New 17 Live from the fucking North Pole, where we're experiencing blizzard conditions with 30 to 40 mile an hour winds and snow accumulation of 6 inches. But yeah, it's snowing balls and it's windy as balls, and oh my gosh, look, you can't even hardly see. Look at our sleds, just completely covered in snow, blowing in. But luckily it's cozy in the shack. I want to show you guys what it looked like outside today, man. It's just absolutely nasty. Probably the worst weather I've been in as far as fishing, or pretty much ever. So anyhow, back on the ice. I mean, back in the hut. Well, guys, I just caught, well, probably my last fish of the trip. Nice little laker, kind of a small guy, but the only fish I've caught all day today. Luckily, the wind has stopped, so as you can see, it's not nearly as miserable as it was. But I appreciate you guys watching, making it all the way to the end again. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can check out my future videos, which hopefully there will be plenty. I appreciate you watching again. We'll see you later.